Isaiah 55 verses 8 to 9. My thoughts are nothing like your thoughts, says the Lord, and my ways are far beyond anything you could imagine. For just as the heavens are higher than the earth, so my ways are higher than your ways, and my thoughts higher than your thoughts. Meaning everything that we think we are, or everything that we think of, is nothing compared to what God thinks of us. It's nothing compared to what He thinks, and His ways we can never imagine, we can never understand. And I love what King David says in Psalm 139. Actually, the whole of Psalm 139 actually talks about how amazing, how His perfect knowledge and His will are beyond us. He says, such knowledge is too wonderful for me. It is high, I cannot attain it. And in another version, it uses the word lofty. It is too lofty for me to understand. So don't try to understand God. Just submit and surrender, because His will is much